blue and golden strip red.
Aye.
Tell us who you are. Aye. You've just been waiting to do that, haven't you?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Tell us who you are.
Amy Pepper. Minnow Wolfers. Reese Newton. Sage Spring.
Ethan Wilson.
Lindsay Howard.
Got my eyes on you, Reese Newton, was it?
Yes.
All right, well, team's ready?
Yes, sir.
Here's the first question. Who should bondservants be obedient to? Red 1.
Jesus Christ.
That is true, but incorrect. For the green team, who should bondservants be obedient to? Green 1.
Their masters.
That is correct. Before certain men from James came, what would Peter do? Red 3.
Pray.
Incorrect. For the green team, before certain men from James came, what would Peter do? Time. Next question. Among what kind of generation does Paul tell the Philippians they shine as lights in the world? Red 1. Time. For the green team, among what kind of generation does Paul tell the Philippians they shine as lights in the world? Time. Next question. What does Paul ask Philemon to prepare for him? Green 1.
A guest room.
That is correct. What did Paul ask the Galatians if he had become because he told them the truth? Red 1.
He might have become sinful.
Incorrect. For the green team, what did Paul ask the Galatians if he had become because he told them the truth? Time. Next question. There are 2 remaining. Golden strip, you'll need them both for a tie. Here we go. In the armor of God, what is the sword of the Spirit? Red 2.
Love, joy, peace, long-suffering, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control.
You have an amazing memory, but I'm sorry, that is not correct. And that means Boiling Springs wins. The green team, we have Boiling Springs on the red team. And we've already had our introduction, so are you ready to begin? You don't know? Well, I'm sorry, we have to begin whether or not you're ready. Okay? Here we go. First question. Who was not compelled to be circumcised? Green 2. Incorrect. For the red team, who was not compelled to be circumcised? Time. Next question. According to Paul in the book of Ephesians, why are we not saved by works? Green 3.
Because no man is perfect.
Incorrect. For the red team, according to Paul in the book of Ephesians, why are we not saved by works? Time. Next question. In Philippians, who did Paul implore to be of the same mind? Green 3.
Euodia and Syntyche.
That's correct. In the armor of God, what is your breastplate? Red 3.
Righteousness.
Correct. As long as the heir is a child, who is he not different from? Green 2.
A slave.
Correct. 2 questions remain. What does Philemon owe Paul? Green 3.
Your own self.
That is correct, and with that, St. Andrew's Road. All right. First question. Paul told the Colossians that if they were raised with Christ, they should seek what? Green 1.
Things above.
That's correct. Who is the cousin of Barnabas about whom the Colossians received instructions? Red 1.
Paul.
Incorrect. For the green team. Who is the cousin of Barnabas about whom? Green 1.
Mark.
Correct. When the fullness of time had come, who did God send forth? Red 1.
The Son.
Correct. Having been built upon the foundation of the apostles and prophets, what is Jesus? Green 1.
The chief cornerstone.
Correct. What did Paul tell Philemon he wished to keep with him? Red 1.
Gospel.
Incorrect. For the green team, what did, you know what? I've got to throw that out. I was reading that question in the wrong way. I apologize. All right, the score is 3-1, and there are 3 questions remaining. In the armor of God, what are your feet shod? Green 1.
The preparation of the gospel.
That is correct. And there are 2 questions left, so that means Boiling Springs wins. Duncan and Boiling Springs for the Preteen division. Are we ready? Let's begin. Who was Onesimus now profitable to? Red 3.
Paul and Philemon.
Correct. God gave some to be apostles. What else did he give some? Red 3.
Prophets.
Time.
All right. Incorrect to the green team. God himself gave some to be apostles. What else did he give some to be? Green 1.
Galatians.
That is incorrect. Next question. How were the Colossians told to admonish one another?
Time.
Next question. Paul told the Philippians he was hard-pressed between what 2 things?
Time.
Next question. What did Paul tell the Ephesians they were once, by nature, children of? Green 1.
The gospel.
Incorrect. For the red team. What did Paul tell the Ephesians they were once, by nature, children of? Red 3.
Darkness.
Incorrect. What is the fruit of the Spirit listed in Galatians 5:22? Red 3.
Love, joy, peace, long suffering,
Good job. And there's only one question remaining, so Boiling Springs wins.
Let's give it up for Duncan. Duncan, good job.
Essex Village, Boiling Springs. Here's question number 1. What are 2 of the things that he mentions? Green 2.
That he persecuted the church beyond measure. And
Time.
All right, that's incorrect. For the red team, what was Paul mentions his former conduct in Judaism. Name 2 of the things that he mentions.
Time.
All right, next question. How should the Ephesians speak to one another?
Time.
Next question. Paul told the Colossians that Epaphras had a great zeal for them and for those in what other 2 places?
Time.
Next question. What did Paul do to Peter when Peter came to Antioch? Red 1.
withstood him face to face.
That is correct. We're tied, 1 point each, and there are 2 questions left. What things does Paul tell the Philippians to meditate on? Green 1.
Things that are true, just, noble, pure.
Time.
Very good try, but incorrect. Red team, what things does Paul tell the Philippians to meditate on? Red 1.
Whatever things are true, noble, just, pure, virtuous, lovely, and of good report.
Yes, the judges will accept the answer. All right, Essex Village, you'll need this one to tie. In Ephesians, Paul lists 7 things there are one of. What are they?
Time.
Time, and that means Boiling Springs wins. Here we go, question number 1. When God revealed his Son to Paul that he might preach to the Gentiles, what did Paul not do? Green 3.
He did not confer with flesh and blood, and he did not immediately go up to Jerusalem.
Correct. In Philemon, Paul wrote to Philemon, Green 3.
Philemon and those in his household, and the saints there.
That is incorrect. To the red team. In Philemon, Paul wrote to Philemon and who else?
Time.
Next question. What members did Paul tell the Colossians to put to death?
Time.
I think he called time. Yeah. Next question. In Ephesians, after Paul told them to put away all bitterness, wrath, anger, and such, how did he tell them they should be towards one another? Green 2.
Forgiving one another, even as Christ forgave you.
Time.
Incorrect. To the red team. In Ephesians, after Paul told them to put away all bitterness, wrath, anger, and such, how did he tell them they should be towards one another? Red 1.
Tender-hearted, forgiving one another as Christ forgave you.
Time.
Almost. You missed kind. Very good, though. Next question. Score is 1-0. There are 3 questions left. If you have on the whole armor of God, what are you wearing? Green 2.
The belt of truth, the breastplate of righteousness, helmet of salvation, shod your feet with the preparation of the gospel of peace, sword of spirit, and shield of faith.
Correct. All right, 2-0, that means you need both to win, okay? Name 9 of the works of the flesh. Green 3. Slow, okay?
Uncleanness, idolatry, fornication, murder, heresies, revelries,
Slow down.
drunkenness, contentions, outbursts of wrath, and wait, is that it? Is that it? Oh no. And heresies, envyings.
All right, you got it.
Let's give a big round of applause to Bowling Springs, second place. Bowling Springs, good job, ladies.